Now we see John, the next incident. Yeshua and a few trusted disciples journeyed to Jerusalem via Samaria. And we're going to read, first of all, this incident out of John 7:10. After his brothers went up to the feast, then he also went up in secret. Now in Luke, we have the same thing being said here, except every translation has butchered it. Absolutely butchered it. When the time for him, Yeshua, to go up, this is how, well, Stern in his complete Jewish Bible, when the time came for him to ascend up into heaven, he steadfastly set his face to go to Jerusalem. The time for his ascension, it says in another one. A time for his assumption, as it says in the Douay version. Every one of them, they're implying that it's a time for him to ascend up into heaven. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Luke chapter 9, verse 51. The ascension is in Luke chapter 24, verse 51. 15 chapters later, Yeshua is going to go up to Jerusalem 5 more times, to the Feast of Tabernacles, to the Feast of Hanukkah, for Purim, when he raises Lazarus. Then he's going to go up for Passover, in which he's going to be executed. Then he goes up to the Mount of Olives for his ascension, which is Jerusalem. 5 more times before he ascends up into heaven. But because they didn't understand the principle, and how Stern missed this, I mean, how a Jew could miss this is beyond belief, except for the fact that he's basically just copying King James and changing a few words, and actually throws some Yiddish words into his complete Jewish Bible. I mean, that's funny, okay? It's cute. It's cute. And my daughters, when they were like 8 and 10 years old, they liked the complete Jewish Bible because it's fun. But it's not serious. It's not a serious piece of work. I mean, Yiddish, Yeshua speaking Yiddish, Yeshua ascending up into heaven in the 9th chapter. No, read it correctly. Correct your King James. Now when the time came for him, Yeshua, to go up to the Feast of Sukkot, he steadfastly set his face to go to Jerusalem. See, what happens, ladies and gentlemen, if you do not understand the chronology of events and what's transpiring, you can have them ascending up 15 chapters early. It doesn't make any sense. The word would have been, if this were in Hebrew, it would have been aliyah, to go up, aliyah.